Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove chat wallpaper from the Snapchat. If you have customized your chat background but now want it to reset it, don't worry. It's super easy and I'll teach you that. Let's get started. First of all, open your Snapchat. Make sure that you have already logged in. On your screen, you can see chat icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it to view your conversation. Now, choose the chat where you want to remove the chat wallpaper. Tap on your Friends Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left corner of the chat screen. Then on your screen you can see Wallpaper. Tap on it. On your screen you can see an option of Change Wallpaper. By tapping on it you can change the chat wallpaper. But there's no option for Remove Chat Wallpaper. But if you concentrate on the chat wallpaper photo, you can see a dustbin-like icon on chat wallpaper. Tap on it to remove the chat wallpaper. Now, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Just confirm your action and you are done. Tada, you have removed chat wallpaper on your Snapchat. And that's it, you have successfully removed the chat wallpaper on the Snapchat. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in next video.